Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Applying Diffusion Models, Creating Images, Videos, and 3D Assets with AI. Imagine having a digital magic wand that can create almost anything you describe. That's generative AI. We're not just analyzing data, we're making new stuff. Today, we'll dive into diffusion models, the amazing AI behind creating stunning images, videos, and even 3D objects from simple text prompts. Think of it as teaching a computer to paint, direct movies, or sculpt just by telling it what you want. At its heart, a diffusion model is like an artist who learns to clean up a very blurry, noisy picture until it reveals a masterpiece. Imagine someone gives you a picture that's just static on a TV screen, and you have to figure out what it could be. Diffusion models learn this process in reverse. They start with pure random noise, like TV static, and, step by step, remove that noise to reveal a clear image based on your instructions. It's like turning chaos into creation. From a developer's standpoint, you're interacting with a clever neural network. Here's the gist. 1. Training. The learning phase. The eye is shown millions of clean images. We then intentionally add noise to these images, step by step, until they become pure static. The AI learns to predict what noise was added at each step. 2. Generation. The creation phase. When you give it a text prompt, e.g., a cat in space, the AI starts with pure static. Then, using what it learned, it removes a tiny bit of predicted noise, repeatedly, guiding the process with your prompt. Each step refines the image, making it clearer and closer to your description, until a final, detailed image emerges. You, as a developer, will often interact with APIs that abstract this complex process, letting you focus on the input prompts and handling the output. This is where the magic becomes tangible. The most common application is text-to-image generation. You provide a descriptive text prompt, like, a majestic unicorn galloping through a rainbow-colored nebula, and the diffusion model generates a unique image matching that description. As a developer, you'll use libraries or APIs, application programming interfaces, like Stable Diffusion or Midjourney's API to send your text prompts and receive image data back. It's like calling a function, _generate_image, prompt equals, and getting an image file. If diffusion models can create one image, can they create many, one after another, to make a video? Absolutely. Video generation with diffusion models extends the same core ideas. Instead of just creating a single image, models learn to generate a sequence of images that are consistent and flow smoothly. This often involves either generating each frame and ensuring continuity, or diffusing directly within a latent space that represents video characteristics. Imagine generating a short animation just by typing, a cute robot dancing on the moon. This is where it gets really exciting for game developers, designers, or anyone building virtual worlds. Diffusion models are now being adapted to create 3D assets. Instead of pixels for 2D images, they learn to generate things like point clouds, a collection of points in 3D space that define a shape, meshes, interconnected triangles that form surfaces, like 3D models you see in games, neural radiance fields, NURFs, a fancy way to represent a 3D scene that can be viewed from any angle. The process is similar. Start with noisy 3D data and refine it based on text prompts. You could describe a futuristic spaceship and get a usable 3D model. Ready to try it yourself? As a developer, you have several entry points. 1. APIs and SDKs. Services like Hugging Face, OpenAI, DALL-E, or Stability AI, Stable Diffusion, offer APIs. You can integrate these into your applications with just a few lines of Python or JavaScript. 2. Open source models. Dive into open source projects like Stable Diffusion on GitHub. You can download and run these models on your own machine, if you have a good GPU, or cloud instances. 3. Online playgrounds. Websites like Hugging Face Spaces or various online demos let you experiment with prompts instantly. No code needed to start. Start small, experiment with prompts, and see what you can create. The key is to explore and get your hands dirty with the code or interfaces. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.